we're going to show you on this video how to go from this here to this. Okay guys, today we're going to work on the calipers. These are the rear ones, so you can see they're pretty rusty, but I mean they'll salvageable, so we're going to save these ones. These are the brackets. Screws don't come in. I think we got a new set. This one goes in, and this is a bit rusty as well, so let's first give them a good clean. We're also going to work on the front ones, which are kind of new, but since they've been in storage they gain a little bit of rust, but it's just surface rust, so we're going to give them a good clean and work from there. As you can see, they're brand new ones, remanufactured those. So let's get on it. Alright, so let's start with the rust remover. Let me see if I can take those tin plates off. Okay, that's one. That's the other ones. No others over here. We got new ones, so let's take those out. There we go. Alright, so let's try this rust remover. Oh, alright. Working already. Good job. Let's leave this a couple of minutes here and we'll get back. Okay, after the first wash, we took our calipers to our friends from Powder Industries, where they're gonna be sandblasted and powder coated.
C.AT.S.